Hi everyone, so nice to meet you again on Castle. Today we are here to talk about light guide. Have you ever know about the light guides? I'm sure you have seen the card hand lights. Light guides are special tools made of PNA or PC with CNC machining. Their main advantage is lighting. The optics of the guide are such that when you put a light source to one end of tube, the whole thing transmits along the whole length of the tube. The ray basically reflects from the surface of the guide and zigzags in the directions of its axis. The bigger the entrance angle, the brighter the shift. Most light guide designs are created with the purpose of highlighting the lens contours. So generally speaking, the cylindrical light conductors are usually 7 to 10 millimeters in diameter.
Hi, this is Vincent. Now let me talk about what details we need to pay attention when making light guide. There are some requirements for light guide, as they have to transmit light with at least 50% efficiency to ensure a uniform linear light transmission. In order to do that, the light guide has to be a completely clear part, with no bubbles or irregularities in its structure. In order to reflect and transmit enough light, pipe surface finishes are often as much as RA 0.02 micron and meet the minimum machining radius R 0.1 mm, or optical details requiring surface tolerance of optical area within plus or minus 0.02 mm. We provide 5-axis precision CNC micromilling for light guide prototypes. They are ideal for machining optics components with high aspect ratio and complex geometries, and offer excellent machining accuracy and flexibility. With many years of CNC programming and post-processing experience, we conquer the manufacturing challenges while producing fabulous and efficient lighting effects. This is all for this video. If you want to learn more about Viken's capabilities in automotive prototyping or automotive parts manufacturing, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more details. See you next time.